Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to set clock on your Panasonic AC remote in 2026. So first of all, you need to take your Panasonic AC remote and then you need to simply locate the clock button. Now on some of the Panasonic AC remotes it will be labeled as clock, time or clock icon. So as you can see, this is the clock button available. So you need to simply press and hold this particular clock button for at least 3 seconds and the time on the remote display should start blinking. So when it does, you just have to simply use these buttons, the top and the bottom buttons, in order to adjust the hours and the minutes. Some of the Panasonic remotes also use the temperature buttons for changing the timing. So after choosing the correct time, you just have to also simply press the set button. Once the blinking should stop, which means that the clock is now saved successfully. So you need to also look at the remote screen and confirm that the time is showing correctly, as it can be seen over here. So once the clock is set properly, the features like on timer, off timer, sleep timer will also work correctly. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thank you.